Oh, hey.
Okay, what's up? What do we have, Tia?
Nothing.
We have that.
We have pins.
It's series 4 of the Tiny Kingdom. This one's got a lot of figment stuff on it.
Will we be so lucky?
There's a lot of other stuff on it too, which is why we picked this one up.
I also like these because they have 3 pins in them. I mean, they're smaller pins.
They are. They're a little bit, they're about half the size of a normal pin.
Tiny Kingdom.
All right, so we're gonna open these up live on camera as the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train runs by us every couple of seconds. You'll hear woo!
So you get a Tiny Kingdom map in the box. Pin number 1.
Bite it.
No. What?
I said I love you. All right, pin number 1.
Oh, it's a car. Test track. Go fast and go left.
Test track, not NASCAR.
It does go fast and it goes left.
Pin number 2.
Kilimanjaro Safaris.
Well, that's cool.
It has a rhino on it.
Isn't that cool? All right, pin number 3.
Trash.
She just called me trash.
Which is funny because we just got a trash can.
Oh, it's a trash can from where?
Eh.
Does it say, can you read that? It's so tiny.
Oh
it's
my.
like it's a tiny kingdom.
Oh my.
Maybe it's just a,
No, there's writing on it. It almost looks like Frontierland.
it's so little. We'll put it up here so everybody can see it and we'll be able to figure out what it is. Pin number 1 was Test Track. Pin number 2 was Kilimanjaro Safaris. And pin number 3 was a trash can from somewhere.
Somewhere. Do you like collecting pins here at Walt Disney World? Do you like pin trading? Do you only collect certain pins? Do you like the mystery packs? Let us know in the comments below. But until next time, remember,
No capes. All right, pin number 1. I'm gonna have to do this for like 5 minutes. So I was clearing my throat.
No capes!